Hello everyone. Now let's check the latest DFL Seagate hard drive firmware repair program. And this video will teach you how to unlock the Seagate LX SSHD hard drive. Now we power on the drive, we can find out this is the hard drive model and capacity 500 GB. We can see the family belongs to the Rosewood 8C. Click OK to enter the program. Now we can go to scan mode and see, and this is model list. It's empty. That means it's locked. The firmware is not. And in the COM terminal, we can try to use Control L, and we can find out it's locked. Now let's go to the ROM operations. So the first step is to back up the ROM by COM. Okay, and we can select the high baud rate. We use this one, 3 min. Click OK. Now we can see it's very fast with this baud rate. Now we can see the baud rate is 3 min. Now we can see ROM read OK. The next step, we can go to the ROM operations, unlock, and generate unlock ROM. So we can select the original ROM. Next, we select the same parts to save this unlock ROM. Save, click OK, and we can then save the unlock ROM. The next, we need to write the unlock ROM. So we need to write this unlock ROM, and we select the baud rate 3 min and click write. So the ROM write is very fast at the baud rate of 3 min. Now, ROM write is okay. So we need to power off and power on the drive. And in the COM terminal, we can find out the tech unlock handshake value. Click send unlock key. Now we can see F3T, Control L, and the hard drive ID information has been detected. We can create this program and re-enter this program. Obtain details, click OK. Now we can see that this module list is available here, and we can try to double click the modules. We can open the modules properly, and also after we unlock the firmware arrow, the very basic but important step is to back up the important SYS files. Now we can select this one. This is ATM mode to back up the SYS files. Now we can try to select the 1B, the 28, 35, and sometimes we can also back up the SYS 348. And next, the program is starting to read all the selected SYS files. If sometimes when the drive is very unstable, or sometimes when the heads are weak, and we can try to go to the SA operations, we can use edit SYS files. Here we can select SYS 35 volume 3, and then we use COM to read. This one is also another method to back up the SYS file. Mostly we can use this one to read SYS files, that means to back up. ATM mode is used when the hard drive gets ready. This one is much faster than the COM mode. So this one is very easy. Only if users unlock the firmware error successfully, users can go to backup, and then users go to repair some possible firmware failure. By command repair, or users can go to the COM terminal mode, use some hard drive repair commands to repair the firmware damaged hard drives. So this is the latest Seagate hard drive repair software from Zorfin Data Lab. All DFL users can get this software from the Dorfin user-only forum, or users can email to sales@dorfindatalab.com to get this